for the Communication Skill Project. Our team name is on popular freedom fighter, a politician and a diplomat, Vijay Lakshmi Pandit. Let me introduce our team members to you. This is Anu Kumari. She is from Uttar Pradesh and she is scriptwriter for our team. This is Anup Chaudhary. He is from Chhattisgarh and he is the editor for the team. This is Devendra Patel. He is from Chhattisgarh and he is the evaluator of the team. This is Saurav Kumar. He is from Bihar and he is the summarizer of the team. Behind the camera we have Danish Kumar Swan from Odisha. He is the cameraman of the team. And I am Rituraj Singh Yadav from Uttar Pradesh and I am the negotiator of our team Vijay Lakshmi Pandit. Vijay Lakshmi Pandit, born Swarup Kumari Nehru on August 18, 1900, emerged from the politically charged Nehru family, with her father Motilal Nehru being a pivotal figure in the India's independence movement. This upbringing instilled in her a deep commitment to the India's nation's freedom. She actively participated in the struggle against British rule, demonstrating her dedication through the acts of civil disobedience and enduring multiple imprisonments. These experiences
Political journey began in pre-independent India, where she broke barrier by becoming the first Indian woman to hold a cabinet position. She was elected to the Legislative Assembly, proving her political acumen and ability to navigate the complexities of governance. This early involvement in politics showcased her potential as a leader and set the stage for her subsequent diplomatic roles.
Independence, Vijay Lakshmi Pandit embarked on a distinguished diplomatic career representing her nation on the global stage. She served as India's ambassador to key countries, including the Soviet Union, the United States, and others, playing a vital role in establishing and strengthening India's international relations. Her diplomatic skills and understanding of global affairs earned her respect and recognition.
A marked achievement in her career was her election as the 8th President of the United Nations General Assembly from 1953 to 1954. This historic appointment made her the first woman and the only Indian to hold this prestigious position, highlighting her exceptional leadership and diplomatic prowess on the world stage.
Upon her return to India, she continued her public service by serving as the Governor of Maharashtra. This role further exemplified her dedication to the nation and her commitment to the serving its people. Even in her later years, she remained a significant political figure, notably opposing the emergency imposed by her niece, Indira Gandhi, demonstrating her unwavering commitment to democratic principles.
In 1944, she visited the United States to raise awareness about the Indian affairs among the American people in order to counter the anti-Indian propaganda. In 1979, she was appointed as the representative to the United Nations Human Rights Commission. Vijay Lakshmi Pandit is also remembered for her writing and speeches that reflect her political insight and experience. Her writing includes the evolution of India, Scope of Happiness, a personal memoir. Vijay Lakshmi Pandit remained as iconic figure in Indian history for her contribution to the independence movement. Her pioneering role as a diplomat and her advocacy for Indian rights and global cooperation.